Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you along to my lash appointment. As you can see, I have my lashes done. These are the mega volume style. This is a style I do not get on the regular. Usually I do volume wispies or light volume, whatever you want to classify. I do the ones that look like falsies, and I don't know why today I decided to do something different, but I did, so it's good to try new things. But if you want to see me get my lashes done and come along with me to the whole appointment, then continue watching. Hey guys, I'm on my way to my lash appointment. It is 1:22. My appointment is at 1:30. So I'm gonna be, my ETA says 1:38, so I'm only gonna be 8 minutes late. Today I told Nat, which I will introduce you to her, she's my favorite. I told her I wanted to do mega lashes, but I don't think I want to do that just because it doesn't really suit me. But I don't know, I want to try something different. I think I might want to do brown lashes just because I have light eyes and my skin is really light right now, but we'll see. I'm definitely gonna ask for her opinion because she lashes different types of eyes all the time, so this is like her expertise, you know. Gonna let her little freestyle, whatever. All her sets are the same price, so I really can tell her what I want when I'm there, which is the perfect, which works out perfectly because I haven't made up my mind. But yeah, come along with me to get my lashes done. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. We just pulled up. I'm on the phone with Lauren.
Hey, how y'all doing?
She's making avocado toast, y'all. Look at. Sorry, that door said 111.
I was influenced.
I think it's this one.
76 is after.
I shall. Love you.
Bye. I love you.
Love you more.
Bye.
Ooh, I think it's this one. No?
I said open the fuck up.
I didn't know if it was the right door.
Are you vlogging right now?
Yes, finally. No, it's fine. I haven't been here in so long. A new table?
A new table.
I know I haven't been here forever.
More comfort. I think a lot of my clients do. I can't believe you're getting a mega.
Oh, see, that's why I told you. That's why I asked you, because I was like, I don't know.
I can't believe you're getting a mega.
Because what are the options?
So we have a wet set, or a wet and wispy, which is like mimicking kind of a thicker classic look. If you've ever seen classics before, they're just like the one lash.
I've done classics before, and then I'm like, I always think I want classic, but then I'm like, it's not enough.
Yeah.
You know?
So that's why we would switch it to like a light volume, which I don't usually do hybrids, which is a mix of like classics and volume lashes. I just do light volume. So I make my lash fans a lot like
And that's
thinner.
what I used to do, right?
Yeah. No. You would do wispy volume.
Oh. So that's like the next step.
Yes, that's like styling it. So you have your basics. You have your classic light volume, and then you start styling it with adding in peaks and like those wispy longer lengths, and then it creates texture and, you know, dimension at the top.
Yeah.
So
and then what's after? Is there anything after, like between wispy, whatever I get, and mega volume?
So
or no?
What you like to get? Well, mega volume is like the thickest you can go. It's like lashing every lash with like the biggest, not the biggest, but the most dense fan you can do for that natural lash, because you don't want to put too much weight on the natural lash.
Yeah.
But if we were to do a mega on you, I think it'd look really pretty. It would just look a lot more fuller, and you wouldn't have those peaks at the top. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Which you do kind of like the texture at the top, but honestly,
what do you think I should do? What do you think I should do?
I would be down for a mega.
A mega?
Mega's fun.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Because if you don't like it, you can always change it. That's like the beauty of lashes.
Yes.
I'm excited though. But I'm going to look at your eye shape again because I put out my legs for you, but I was like...
So it's like custom for each person every time, huh?
Exactly.
That's crazy. Am I far enough up or no?
I'll have you scoot up when I start like washing you and stuff, but this is good for now.
And I got my brows done so I don't look crazy.
No, they look so good. Oh, I'm so happy I get to see you again.
I know, I missed you.
I know, I miss you too. Okay, so yeah, I'll have you look straight up at the ceiling. Perfect. Yeah, we're gonna do A little cat eye on you.
Yes, that's what I like.
Yes.
Cause my eyeballs are low-key different. I think this side of my face. This side of my face is like a little like this. I have a more hood on this side than this side.
This one goes just a slightly more down. Mm-hmm. And like flared out. This one's more rounded.
Yeah.
Like overall.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm glad you see it too.
I do. You're so funny. Okay. So I'm gonna wash you first.
My goodness. What's it called? I feel like I had to text you like, oh, I need your price list and everything, because I didn't have my main Instagram.
I know. And then
so,
I was like, wait, she knows this. And then I was like, oh, it's her.
Mm-hmm. I was so dumb. I literally have been on my fitness page, and I was like, I could have just went through there, but I don't know.
You're good, girl.
Not having the main Instagram, I kind of like it, because
really?
I'm rebranding.
You're detaching too.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's nice. I took off like the majority of my followers from my personal account because I was like, I don't talk to you guys. Yeah. I don't know you. So I literally took them off. I'm gonna use a different brush for this actually. But now I don't feel weird posting things. Yeah. Because I'm like, I know.
Because you can post what you want.
Yeah, I know everybody on there.
Yeah. No, that's how I feel too with my fitness page. I only post my fitness stuff, but I wasn't able to post like my fitness stuff on my main page. Yeah. And that's basically all I do right now. Yeah. Like, obviously I model and stuff here and there, but working out is what I do the most.
Exactly.
And I was just so caught up in like watching stories too much.
Yeah.
I was like now
why am I gonna pay attention to everything that you guys got going on?
Dude, I have so much more time in my day because I don't have that Instagram. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how into it I was. How much
you stay on your phone. Mm-hmm. That's like me with TikTok. I swear I'm like one more video.
TikTok, so yeah. That's like a little rabbit hole.
Are you gonna be more on TikTok now? Are you trying to rebrand to a different platform or still Instagram?
Well, I'm trying to rebrand in the such where I'm focusing more on my fitness stuff. So I did start a fitness TikTok because my other TikTok, I was posting fitness stuff on it, which was fine. But the only problem is with that is growing that account is kind of pointless because I can't go on live. Yeah. So I'm blocked from live. So I was like, I want to start a new page.
You're blocked from lives? What'd you do?
Yeah. I was counting. It was when I was dancing. I had counted a bag on live, and I guess
you can't show money on there like that.
Yeah, I don't know what the. I see other people do it though, so I'm like,
what did I do? Yeah.
Yeah, but they blocked my access. So I was like, I want to start a new account, grow it organically, you know. So I was like, we'll see.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's that update. I was like, I do not want to pay for my Instagram because I was like, if I was making like brand deals and stuff like that like all the time,
different.
Then I would be like, yeah, of course I need this back. But I was like, I can easily build another page, and plus my audience was like mainly males.
So you were like, let me try to you know get my target audience, the people I actually want.
Literally, because I was like, yeah, it's cool having like a lot of followers, but it's like if I want to do brand deals with like clothing stuff, it's gonna obviously be girls clothing. Yeah. And they're not gonna partner with me because they always ask like for insights and stuff, and they're gonna see it's all
Do they
males.
really? Oh, okay, that's something I did not know.
They do. They for sure do.
Because they're like, we're not gonna give you something that your audience can't handle. So
yeah, they're gonna be like, well, you're not even reaching the girls. So
yeah. Damn. I wish you chose a better day to vlog. My nail day is after this. My nails look so fucking crusty right now. We got your tape on. How do they feel?
It feels fine.
But doesn't feel good.
Oh. Yeah, I like when you do that.
Yeah? Okay.
It's like a subtle difference, but it like helps so much.
Helps so much. I hate when it's like too high up in the crease. Okay. What made you want to start vlogging?
I had posted, I think like 2 YouTube, because I've always posted YouTube videos, but it's always been like years apart. It's never been consistent, and I had been consistent in the sense where like I posted one in a month, and then it was like 2 weeks, and then 5 days, and then I just started getting subscribers. So I was like,
yeah,
let me just keep it going.
Keep it up.
Let me see what happens when I'm consistent. I was like, I want to like make my inner child happy, because I always wanted to be like a little YouTuber. And then I used to watch like couple YouTubes. Like growing up, it was always makeup videos and couples. So it's like, now that I'm older, it makes sense to, you know, follow suit. Because I've had this camera for so long.
Have you really?
Mm-hmm. I've had it for years.
You get on stage, but you're selling and you're doing your
It became all the rave though, very
Like,
recently.
mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you decide if you're good or not. That's so true. And also comedy, let's stop taking it so seriously. Yeah, true. It's just like, if it made someone laugh and it made them forget about their problems for a second, like, I'm happy. You're so smart. And I'm going to Aspen for the first time for shows. Oh, how fun. Lake Tahoe and Aspen are beyond. I literally booked this so my husband would come because he likes to ski,
okay?
which is...
Aww. Cute.
Don't get me started about skiing.
Talk about it.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I would love for you to talk about it. I have so many thoughts.
Different than usual.
Yeah.
It's different because we usually do spikes. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't grow up skiing. So
I like it though. I think it's cute, especially when you're gonna be looking straight on and you're not gonna be laying down looking up.
Yeah.
It'll be like a nice dark lash line.
Then you're just going down an icy hill, possibly to die, and then
So cute.
you don't even get a gold
Such a
medal, you just have to
difference.
do it again.
Yeah.
And
How do you
you're
feel?
freezing.
It's just different. I like them.
Skateboarders have like a...
I'm not used to it yet.
Skateboarders have an attitude.
Here, sit up for me.
Skateboarders are like, yeah. What are you overcompensating for?
Ab workout.
I'm always like, the one skateboard towards me, the only board I want coming towards me is a charcuterie board.
Oh yeah.
That's better. When you're looking like up, it like almost touches your eyebrows, but this is like
and then like the... I
purr.
can't tell if you guys are on my side or not yet. No, I'm
Yeah. It looks different sitting up for sure.
Yeah.
I've never agreed with something more on my side.
So cute.
I don't know. I don't know which one I like better.
I know.
I don't know.
I feel like when you go home, do your makeup, everything, you're gonna be like, okay, this is a makeup set. The wispies are more like everyday, in my opinion.
No, I think you're right.
It looks
When you like the wispies.
When I come back, yeah.
Yeah.
When I come back, is it able to do? Am I gonna be able to
Yeah,
do
we
wispies?
can add wispies in. Yeah.
It like brings you back down, but like
Yeah.
there's just so
I think wispies, because I don't wear makeup that much.
I know.
So that's probably gonna be
And it's a
the
change.
dilemma.
Let's do this ski
But they're cute though. They're cute though.
No, they're
I still
super
like
cute.
them.
That's why styling is just so different. You gotta find what works.
I think it's just something I want to be good at.
And of course, when they're gonna fall out too. So
Yeah.
I need for validation, but I want
That's
like
why
a
I was
man
like,
thing
I'm not
that
gonna
fits.
do
That's what I did.
so much.
yeah, I don't even think anything could fit.
Yeah.
Probably more in the inner corner, but
Oh no, there's a lot more I could do. Even on like your base layer. Sorry, like the very bottom layer. A lot more.
What are yours?
Mine are brown with brown wispies. Light wispies, like a light volume wispy.
You
wanna try that?
Yeah.
Yeah? We could totally do brown too.
I like the brown. No, because we were supposed to do brown. Remember? And then I had to do my shoot.
Oh yes!
No, for sure. But you should go and like.
I still
get
really
hot
like these though.
chocolate.
No, I do. I'm
I know.
not saying.
I can't stop looking at them though. They look so
And also,
cute.
this is the fucked up thing about skiing. To control the skis.
I don't know.
you have to
I like
lean
because I only went longest on you
towards the
13.
hill.
Usually we do
So
15 or
actually wanna
16.
On me?
back.
Yeah,
Oh.
with the spike layer. So I'm like, I don't know, just the overall base being 13 and no spikes. It's like, I don't know, snatching you up. It's so cute.
Well,
But yeah,
thank
next
you.
time we probably couldn't do all brown, but like I said, if we wanted to mix in the wispies with having brown in there,
We could like transition into brown.
yeah.
Probably.
Or
Or- Knowing me, I'll probably end up doing a full,
full set?
Yeah.
Let's do a brown light wispy. I can do this map on you.
Because those look like lashes.
Yeah,
Like, you know,
Yeah.
obviously they're lashes.
Yeah, no, but they look
But-
like strip lashes. No, so that's what wispy styling is based off of.
Is like falsies?
Is false lashes, yes. This mega volume, hybrid, light volume, classic is all just like the fundamental set, you know?
Okay.
It's like going to get like French tip, you know, or whatever.
Yeah,
but
makes
then
sense.
wispies is like ombre French tip, you know? It's like a different way of doing it.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so I'm back home, and not gonna lie, I still haven't gotten used to the lashes. There are a lot for me. Usually I do a light volume with wispy that mimics like a what are they called, a falsie. These are just like, they're literally just on my eyes. I look like I have a broom on my eyes. But I'm gonna look at it a positive way. It's better to have more than to have less, because sometimes when I get lashes, I'm like, damn, they're not full enough. So I should be grateful that they're hella full, right? So I'm gonna sleep on it. Literally, I'm gonna sleep face down so some of them fall out, but they're cute. They're cute. It's not the end of the world. The lash appointment itself was flawless. Like, my eyes didn't even hurt or burn. And mind you, I have sensitive eyes. So anyone I've gone to in the past has literally made my eyes burn in water. So I stopped getting lashes for a long time. But Nat does a really good job with my eyes. So that's why I like going to her. And today, I don't know, I usually get what I get. So I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. I should have just told her to do my volume wispies with a little more oomph. But hey, you live and you learn. It's not the end of the world. I'm going to do a different lash set next time too. I'm gonna do brown lashes with the wispies. So you're gonna see another lash video from me in the future. But yes, yeah, that was coming with me to my lash appointment. We caught up and we watched one of the podcasts. We watched like 10 Emoji's podcasts, and it was funny. So that was that. If you enjoyed this little maintenance video of coming to get my lashes done with me, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, because I am posting more frequently on my channel. I'm trying to be consistent in every area of my life. I've already been consistent with my fitness page. So if you're into fitness, I have a fitness page called Built by Bray on Instagram. It's currently my only Instagram right now since my main page got deleted. If you're paying attention in the video, that's what me and Nat were talking about, because she also got her account deleted. I just don't feel like paying anyone to get my account back, so fuck it. I'm just going to have my fitness page as my main Instagram. So if you would like to follow me on Instagram, it is now Built by Bray. I do only post fitness content on there right now, but as the page grows, I will start posting regular stuff on there. But yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram. I do have a TikTok and Twitter. It is Manifestarius. Follow at your own will, because my TikTok is pretty random and my Twitter is Twitter. So there's that. But yes, I would love to bring you guys along on more maintenance videos. I actually have a hair appointment at the end of the month, so I will be making another one, whether you want to see it or not. It's gonna be on my channel. If you have any questions or comments, suggestions, go ahead and leave them below in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.